can do life experiences, because there will be people that's gone through the same as you. Like, I'm doing business recovery. That is more my strong point for this year, because I want to help businesses to survive these difficult times. Inflation, in the UK, national insurance going up, the taxes are going up, for example, after the budget in the UK. Same with America. I want to help businesses in America as well, because things have gone up. I mean, I was in America last year and I was going around the supermarkets and things were expensive. I was like, oh, okay. It's like 3 times the amount that I pay here. I live in Cyprus, and when I was in America, it's like I was paying 3 times more. The same with the UK. I felt like I was paying 3 times more. So, what is it that you can do that's going to bring in extra money so that you can pay for things? You're not going to retract. You're still going to be able to live the life that you want to live, and more, and make this your passion. Because 3 months, you could be like one of my clients. It took her a month to get subscribers. It took her a month to get monetized. She texted me 2 days ago to say she's over 1,000 subscribers and she's monetized. For example, it only took her just over 30 days. So she was determined. But also, I was like her accountability partner, because she saw me posting every day and she was like, well, if Christine can do it, then I certainly can do it, for example. So join me. I want us to collaborate together. I want us to be a community, and I want you to post your videos. What is it that you feel that you're going to be good at that's going to create, say, videos that are 15, 20 minutes long? Because once you start talking about something that you love talking about and you know what you're talking about, the time will go quickly. I mean, look at this. I've been on here for just over 1 hour, and I haven't even noticed that the time has gone so fast. So I would love to know, what do you specialize at, for example? What would you love to talk about here? There's AI. If you know of people that know about AI, then you can be an AI agency. You can be a business on here and sell your products and services on YouTube for people to find you, to book an appointment, so that you can talk about your products or services. If you're doing care, you can do the same thing on YouTube. Talk about your company and, helping families or service users. Let's look at how we can help one another to grow your YouTube channel. Like I said, I posted yesterday and I got over 500 views yesterday, and I'm going to do the same today. I'm going to post the 1 hour, the 1 hour, this live is on here anyway. Then I'm going to turn it into some shorter long form videos. So there'll be each one will be 15 minutes, for example. So then that will give me another 4 to 5 videos on top of this long form video. Then I've got the other video that I did today, which was 7 minutes. So I've got like 7 videos, for example, and then I'm going to create shorts from that, which will then give me about 20 could be between 20 and 40 shorts. I don't post all of them because I would be here all day, for example. But I like to understand how it works. Yes, I could have a team do it, but I think I'm the best one to do it because I'm going to be more vested interest in it to show you how to do it, for example. So like I said, I'm going to be like posting the, say, 7 videos, then I'll probably do about 30 shorts. I'm going to be uploading that, for example, and then I'll get to see what my views are tomorrow, for example, for yesterday. So each time you do these videos, it just helps in the algorithm. It just gets, you know, the volume going. And you can talk about different things, but it could still be the same format, but it's going to attract audiences that wouldn't usually come to you, but they still want to know about that. So think about when you're doing your video, and I want you all to think about what is your subject matter going to be for your video. This is today's homework. What is your subject matter going to be for your video? And then from there, you've got to look at your your beginning, your intro, which is usually the hook that grabs their attention for 3 to 5 seconds, for example. Then you've got your middle, then you've got your end and your outro, for example. So what is it that you're going to, what's your first video, if you haven't done one, what's your first video going to be about? What is your niche going to be? You want to make sure that you're picking something that is going to be usable, for example, and watchable, for example, that there is a need for it. But don't try and be like Mr. Beast, because he's too big. So try and use the ones, be a small creator, because we're all small YouTube creators. And like I said, YouTube is wanting to push our content because they want to get as much advertisers as possible to advertise on your channels. So I'd love to hear in the comments, what type of YouTube channel are you interested in? Is it going to be educational? Is it going to be finance, for example? Is it going to be, you tell me what you're going to be posting, for example, because I'd love to hear it, because that is what's going to produce the money for you, for example. All right, so thank you so much for being here. If you haven't done so already, I would love for you to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get further updates. I also want you to, comment if you've got any questions. And I'm going to be doing a challenge, which is about you growing your business. That's what I want. I want you to grow your YouTube channel, and I want you to start thinking about it now so that you get monetized and you can start making money if you haven't got the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. So what is it that you're going to do for your YouTube channel? Because I want to give you those tips, and that's why I'm coming on here daily to help you. And it doesn't have to be anything, doesn't have to be like physics, it's just something simple that's easy to listen to, and people can enjoy what you've got to say, and they're going to also take action, for example. So think about what is your business, but you've got to also focus on consistency and frequency. You've also got to look at your SEO, your titles, your descriptions, and put some tags in. You don't have to have a long, essay or thesis in there, just something small, because YouTube can pick up your conversation anyway and it's in the transcript. So create a playlist. And what I'd also like to do is look at some experiment, thinking of what it is that you want to do. Write a list of the top 10 things that you want to do YouTube wise, for example, for you to make money from. Do you want brand sponsorships? Companies will pay you to talk about their product, for example. And sometimes you get 500 to 2,500 a month, 5,000 a month, for example. Or do you want to be an affiliate marketer where you're selling other people's products, for example, and you get paid? Or do you want to do merchandise? You can create merchandise without even having to do it yourself. You just go to, there's a website which is print on demand, for example. They do mugs, hoodies, cardigans, knitwear, all of these things. So I just wanted to share that with you. Daily videos make, for me anyway, it's made a difference. And that's one of the things I would say, is for you to also focus on who your audience is. And then you then need to create your content. What is your content going to be? Because then you've got to repurpose them into shorter videos, make them into shorter videos, and then shorts as well. But that is for another day. What I want you to do is to think about where you are now. You got to be, obviously your time management has got to be good as well, but you also want to look at what is your what is your monetization strategy going to be. You can even do a membership channel. YouTube, they'll allow you to do that once you become monetized as well, where you can charge a monthly fee, for example, and they're at different levels as well. So think about that, because you want to build a community, just like I want to build a community with you, for example, and I want you to engage as well.